On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Telegram message doesn't exist problem easily and fast. So first thing how you wanna do, guys, is just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, and then open the apps. Now on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Telegram. Now this is the app informations as you can see. Click here on this for stop to stop running in the app in the background of your phone. That's the first solution. The second solution is very simple. Just open the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi and then disable it and enable it again. And the third one and the last one, which is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and search for Telegram and then click on update right here. If you don't have the latest version, it will show you right here on this green option a button that says update. That's it, guys, for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.